Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extend a song using Suno AI quickly and easily. So if you have made a track with Suno but want it to be longer, maybe for a YouTube video, a background loop, or just to enjoy more of the same vibe, this tutorial is for you. With just a few simple clicks, you can add extra verses, repeat your favorite parts, or even create a full-length version of your song, all while keeping the same sound quality and style. Suno makes the process super simple, so you don't need to add it in other apps or know music theory. I will walk you through step by step, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. If you want to try Suno AI absolutely for free, you can find my affiliate link in the description. Using it helps support the channel and you might get early access to the new tools. Alright, let's learn how to extend your music in Suno AI. First of all, you need to head to suno.com. Once you are on this page, simply click on the sign in option and you need to provide your login credentials and basically log in into your account. Now, once you are in, by default, you will be on the home page, but we have to work with our songs. So you need to hover over to the library section and click over here. Now in the songs tab, you will see all of the songs that you have created. So among these tracks, you will have to select that particular song which you want to extend. You will see the options if you click on the three dots right next to the song that you want to extend, like play, remix, extend, and download. So among the given options, you will have to simply select the option of extend. So after clicking on extend, you will see these types of options in front of you. So over here, you can basically generate an extended version. Suno AI is going to ask you how do you want to build the new part. So you can choose the same vibe, or if you want to keep the style and the energy, new variations, if you want to add something fresh, more chords or verses, if your song had clear structure. In the right hand section, you will see your workspace, basically the songs that you have created. Right next to it, you will see all of the verses that are used in this particular song. This is the audio of the song that is available here, which you can click and listen to. This is the exact length of this particular song. These are the lyrics over here in the bottom. So if you want to write the lyrics, simply click on the write lyrics option and you can just write it by line, or you can write the full song over here. If you want the song to make instrumental, you can just turn this toggle button on. If you turn this toggle button on of instrumental, you will have to provide the style as well. By default, it will gonna take the styles that are used in the song that you have selected, but you can add more tones over here like hip hop, pop, country, rock, casino, etc. So you can choose these options. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna just undo it and I will just leave it without instrumental. Over here you can add audio. So if you click on the audio option, you can either upload your own video or you can just record your own audio here. You can also add persona over here, but this is the premium feature, so we will talk about it later. Now once you are on this page, simply click on the remix option over here in the bottom and let Suno AI do the magic for you. It is gonna take around 30 seconds and Suno is going to create a longer version and show it next to the original song. Here is the pro tip. You need to choose the same vibe for the background tracks or the loops. Choose same vibration if you want the new energy or a different feel in the second half. So this is the part 2 of the audio that we have created. So if you want to just take a look at it, you can just click over here and you can start listening to it. So if while listening to the song you feel that something needs to change, you can just click over here. So after clicking on the song, you will see the new verses, the new extended version of the song. Over here, if you again want to make changes into anything, you can just simply click on the three dots over here and you can either recreate it or remix it or re-edit it. You will notice that Suno blends the original and the new part smoothly, so no awkward cuts or any strange transitions. If something feels cut off, you can just simply try again and generate another version. You can repeat this process until you are happy. So the pro tip that I want to give it over here is that you can keep extending again and again and stacking parts to create a full 2 to 3 minute songs. Now is the time to save and download your extended track. So this is the extended track that I have created, so it is the longer version. In the right hand section you will see all of your tracks that you have created. So in order to download it, simply click on these three dots in the bottom, click on the download option, and you can basically download it in the form of MP3 video, and you can even generate a video. So you can select any of the formats. Let's say you have selected the MP3 format. Now it is gonna ask you, do you need commercial rights? Only pro and the premier songs are eligible for the commercial rights. So since this my account is free, that's why it is asking me. But if you have a paid plan, if you generate any of the songs, you can freely use it for commercial use, but I want to use it for my own use, so I'm going to click on download anyway, and it will take some time to download that audio track in my device. So now you can use the extended song in the YouTube videos, reels and TikToks, podcast and intros, personal projects. It is ready to go with no extra software needed. As I said earlier, for the commercial use you need to have the paid plan. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.